Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Adobe Express. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're looking to create clean, professional-looking images without any distracting backgrounds, perfect for presentations, social media posts, or graphic design projects. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Adobe credentials. Make sure you have these details ready so you can access the full suite of tools available in Adobe Express. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see various editing options. Look for the section labeled Quick Edits, and right next to it, you'll find a link that says View All. Click on this to expand the full list of available editing tools. This opens up a comprehensive menu of features that Adobe Express offers for quick and efficient image editing. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Remove Background. This tool is specifically designed to automatically detect and eliminate the background from your images, saving you hours of manual editing work. It's one of Adobe Express's most powerful features and works remarkably well with most images. Now it's time to upload your image. You have two options here. You can either drag and drop your image file directly into the designated area, or you can click to browse through your computer's files. If you choose the latter, navigate to where your image is stored, select it, and click Open. This uploads your image to Adobe Express's processing system. Once your image is uploaded, the magic happens automatically. Wait for a few seconds while Adobe Express analyzes your image and removes the background. The processing time is usually quite quick, but it may vary depending on the complexity of your image and the quality of your internet connection. You'll see the background gradually disappear, leaving just your main subject isolated on a transparent background. After the background has been successfully removed, you have a couple of options. If you're satisfied with the result and want to save it immediately, simply click the download button located at the bottom of the page. This will save the background-free image directly to your device, ready to use wherever you need it. Alternatively, if you want to enhance your image further or add some creative touches, click on Open in Editor. This takes you to Adobe Express's full editing suite where you can add text, apply filters, insert shapes, adjust colors, and explore countless other customization options to make your image truly stand out. And there you have it, you've successfully removed the background from your image using Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.